Hello, my beautiful YouTube and internet friends. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ilona. My channel is all about showing you how you can do your art journaling, mixed media and crafting on a low budget. I don't know about you, but I'm always coming up 1 or 2 Christmas cards short. So in today's tutorial I will show you how I made my last minute, really easy and fast mixed media Christmas cards with just a few scraps. I bet you have these scraps just like me, and you have these small long pieces that are already folded. They kind of look like bookmarks and maybe you throw them away. But do not do that, because they are so easy to make a little card or a bookmark with. And in today's tutorial I will show you how you can make a fast and easy Christmas card with them. So the first thing I did was just spreading my piece of paper open and put it in a lid of a shoebox. That's what I use when I'm spraying. The first spray is made with primary elements, pigments from Color Art, and the second one is made with a Cadence metallic paint. And the colors I used were from the primary elements, blue beige, and I think it was olive vine, but I'm not really that sure. Or it could be a moss green. It's so hard to tell because the powders in my little jars are looking so much different than when I add the water to it. It's also because I'm not working on a white paper but on a vanilla paper. The colors will turn up differently than on white paper. So I also spritzed with bougainvillea. And then I'm drying it really good, and my paper just keeps being curled. I don't know what it is. I even ironed it after it was done because I couldn't get it flat. And then I'm getting out my stamps, and I remembered my stamp set from Unity Stamps, Hello It's Me, which has a gorgeous heart on it. That's the big one, you see. But it also has these stars on it. And that's what I used for this card. And I stamped my stars randomly twice on my, well, let's call it a bookmark, because that's actually how it looks. So if you like to see more low budget, mixed media and art journaling, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you know when I upload a new video. Every Thursday you will find new and free easy tutorial videos. I'm all about keeping it simple. Even if it looks difficult, it's not. Trust me. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a blog on WordPress. And then I had one vocal point left from my Christmas cards from that year, which I made with a star nesting die set. Some book paper, in this case it was even dictionary paper, so I bought this really old dictionary, I think it's in French, I think. And I just ripped out papers and cut my stars out of it. And I also had some silver colored wrapping paper, and I also had some sprayed paper and cut my stars out of it. But in the end I had too little paper, so that's when I started to cut out really small stars from the paper that was left to decorate my leftover stars with. So these stars that I made were all alternated. And I glued that on top of my bookmark, and that was my really quick and easy last minute Christmas card from scraps. So have fun thinking about what you can do with your scraps and leftovers. I bet you can come up with some cute ideas to make yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back with my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.